Welcome to Tech Tycoon. These days, there are smart garage door openers, smart locks and deadbolts, connected light bulbs, learning thermostats, self-aware security systems, and so many more smart home devices. It seems like just about every room in the house is getting an upgrade except for one. What room are we talking about? The kitchen, of course. Sure, smart appliances are finally making their rounds. But what about all the other cool gadgets that could be upgraded with some state-of-the-art technology to make our lives easier? In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 cool kitchen gadgets to make your life easier. If you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. 5. Cinder Electric Grill. A connected frying pan might sound like a good idea for lots of the meals you cook at home. But what if you're really dedicated to finding the perfect way to cook a steak? Then you need the Cinder Electric Grill, which uses sensors and algorithms to cook your meat exactly the way you like it. Using the companion app, you choose the cut of the meat and specify how you'd like it done. Then, Cinder heats its cooking plates to the temperature that you want your steak and subsequently warms the entire steak to that exact temperature. The great thing about Cinder's approach is that it prevents a problem you're probably all too familiar with if you've tried to cook the perfect steak before. Typically, the outside of the steak gets too hot before the center is done. In fact, it's easy to exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature at which protein fibers tense and pushes out moisture. 4. Pantelligent Frying Pan. Pantelligent is a connected frying pan that helps you cook better food. Paired with the companion app for Apple or Android, the pan gives you step-by-step instructions and real-time temperature feedback. How does that work? The pan is equipped with a temperature sensor, which enables the app to monitor the temperature. That way, you'll know when to flip your salmon or your steak, when to stir or to add ingredients, and even when to adjust the temperature of your stove. The pan will also tell you when your food is done, so that you won't risk serving over or undercooked food to your family. The pan works with either electric or gas stoves, and there are even some optional accessories that enable the pan to control the heat automatically without intervention from you. Talk about a great way to make cooking easier. Either way, your food will taste better when you control the temperature and cooking time according to the app's guidance, especially since it can account for your preferences and adjust a recipe for the food you're actually cooking with. 3. Live Blends Smoothie Maker. Love making smoothies, but hate dealing with the extent? Then you'll love the Live Blends Smoothie Maker, which is a smart, self-cleaning device. It claims to be able to whip up a delicious smoothie in about 30 seconds and requires absolutely no cleanup after, which makes a smoothie a viable option even for breakfasts in the busiest households. According to the manufacturer, you can use all of your favorite healthy, fresh, and raw ingredients in your smoothies, including the veggies and fruits of your choice. The thing is, you don't put your own ingredients in the machine. Like Keurig machines, you use Live Blends branded pods to make your smoothies in one-serving increments. Pre-orders for the device aren't available just yet, but you can submit your email address to receive updates when the Live Blends machine is ready for purchase. 2. Joule Sous Vide Tool. Whether you're cooking up a storm at Thanksgiving or preparing a modest dinner for you and your partner, Sous Vide is a cooking technique you need to know. Sous Vide involves cooking food in precisely controlled, low-temperature water. The Joule Sous Vide tool makes the process easier and more precise than ever before, not least because its companion app can coach you step by step. You just put Joule in a pot with some water and use the app to preheat Joule to the right temperature. Then, you'll put your food, along with some seasoning, in a plastic bag and cook it in the water. Right before you're ready to serve your meal, you can finish the food with a quick sear. The tool automatically detects the temperature of the water, and the app enables you to choose exactly how well done you want your meat. It will also send you notifications so that you know when the water is hot and when your food is done. 1. Lynx Smart Grill. The Lynx Smart Grill is exactly what you think it is. A gas-based, infrared grill that can be controlled entirely from your smartphone. You can also control it through voice commands if that's your thing. The best feature of the grill is that it automatically cooks your food according to your personal specifications and preferences. It learns over time how you like your meat or meals cooked, and handles the whole thing for you. Obviously, you have to prepare the food, start up the grill, and leave the food on the burner, but the rest is all up to the device. The Smart Grill taps into an online database to determine the optimal cooking times and temperatures for whatever food you place on the burner. It also tells you exactly where on the grill to place the food in question for optimal cooking. Through the connected app, it will send you alerts and notifications as the food cooks and let you know when it's all done. It's compatible with both Apple and Android phones, which means that pretty much everyone should be able to take advantage of the smart features it offers. You can sign up for updates on when the Smart Grill will be available for purchase. Hope you enjoyed the video. Which one from the list you liked the most? Let us know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.